Alright, that's a little bit better. Okay, that's signals direct, whereas before on my monitor, I was still monitoring the in-room frequency response versus the actual, you know. So I had to rewire everything on the THX monitor because it was connected up to another amplifier that I was using to monitor for my bass shaker's frequency response, which is a more kind of response to that sort of signal, because they won't be picked up on a microphone in the room, even though they're in the room, and they do make a sound in the room. Bass shakers are not silent. If anyone said a bass shaker's silent, well, that's total bullshit. You know, you get a lot of people on YouTube with so many misconceiving bloody videos, really. Say, oh, you won't hear anything on the bass shaker. So that impacts where the car hits. So I really don't like these bloody streaming. I mean, streaming really is rubbish. It is slow and laggy with this overrated piece of rubbish Panasonic. I guess even if I use the other Panasonics, the same thing. It's just slow and laggy, you know. It's like a giving me a bad tummy, if you get my meaning. Because I've got things to bloody do, like petting my cat.
James, listen to me. I'd rather die than you think.
So, if I were to make a little bit more adjustment there, I mean, down here at this range here, I'm kind of curious about, and that's getting down pretty low. But I don't know whether it's some sort of like harmonic or some sort of ghosting frequency. That's probably not legitimate. I'll turn the fader down a bit. Because you really shouldn't overdo it too much. You've got to have levels adjusted and so forth. It's pretty tricky. So, yeah, I think the levels were just turned up a little bit too much here. I think that range looks a bit more legitimate. Even though I think it should go a bit lower, because an actual, you'd get an actual impact, I don't know. You have to microphone it and test it, and then actually do see what frequency response is picked up with multitude microphone with different frequency filtering on the multi-microphoning. So, some microphones are filtered for lows, where keep out all the mid-range and highs, and they'll just concentrate on certain low frequencies, infrasonics, because technically this falls down just a little bit below infrasonic. I'll just turn the fader up a little bit, because where he starts shooting the interior one comes up in a moment, which I still don't understand why. Oh, look at that frequency response. Wow, that's really thrilling. You know, my refrigerator door can do an actual low frequency down pretty damn low. Okay, so when I see a frequency response on my refrigerator door. Okay, so it's on microphone response at the moment. So let's take a bit of setting up. So I'll just show the refrigerator, which has got low frequency. So if I do that, 1, 2, this is good physics, 3, And if you go to the room, there should be 4 nice little oomphs. And there they are. Of course, the microphone level's set at different gain level setting, but that's neither here or there. Look at that. Look at that. That sucker almost goes down to near 10 hertz. And that's a real thing, you know. And that wasn't making stupid sound pressure level. Use the SPL meter. Battery's getting a little bit on the flat side now. I think I'll have to get one of these Duracell batteries. They last longer. Okay. Let close the door. Oh, I'll set that at 70 dB. Not even 70 dB. It's about 65 dB. That was, but still. It shows that, you know, oh, there's something else there, you know, the microphone picks up, because there's a lot of infrasonics going around, you know, and sometimes you wonder why you get certain noise in your home theatre rooms. Oh, because they're so important to some people. And well, Spectrum Lab, well, this sort of device was designed for radio astronomy, you know, looking for aliens. I could probably use it on the radio, the CB radio, if I use a bit of other gear connected up, and I could connect it to the, I suppose it'd be connected to the frequency PLL, phase lock loop. That's probably a little bit too technical for some of you lot.